Do you want to learn how to generate AI elements in Wix Harmony? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So over on manage.wix.com, you have probably built a website already. Just go inside it, so select an edit site. Then it's going to take you over here on the dashboard page. Just click here on the top right, design site, and it's going to take you over to the Wix Harmony editor. Now on it, on the top left, you're going to find this add button. Click on it. Then here, you're going to find generate element. Click on this. Now this page is going to open up, generate a custom element with AI. So what you could do is you could scroll down. You can find these prompt inspirations. You could make a crypto tracker, story cards, modern stopwatch, and a lot more. Or if you already know what you want to create, you can just go over here in prompt section. You can type the prompt to generate that element. Also, what you could do is you could go over to ChatGPT or any other AI tool that writes scripts, ask it to generate a YouTube subscription tracker prompt or anything, whatever element you want to create. You can just put a small description, generate this, and then it's going to give you all this information. Then you can ask it one single line prompt, and it's going to make something like this. You can just copy it from here and paste it in this prompt section of Wix Harmony. But let's just go with this crypto tracker over here. You can edit prompt, and it's going to give you this whole prompt. You can change the colors inside it. So coral for losses, teal for gains. You can change the colors inside here. Then you just need to press on this generate element. All right, so this is what it has generated on the right hand side, and on the left, on the bottom left, you can ask if you want to make any changes to the design by simply typing over here. Or you can also dictate it. You can just click here, give your permission to use your microphone. Then you can just start asking what you want changed inside. Then once you're done, just press here, and it's going to type that over here. Now, once you're completely satisfied with the design that it has generated, the element, you can press here on the top right, the save button. Now it's going to be saved inside your AI generated library over here. You can click on it, and it's going to be inserted in your website. Then you can move it around in your editor. If you select this, you can edit with AI. You can display the elements, change the colors, text, and a lot more. There's this over here, manage items. You can click on it, add coins. So I can press here on edit, change the symbol, change the icon, change type, positive, negative, name, etc. Now let's delete this and let's go over here on add again. And let's click on this generate elements again. Let's use this prompt that we generated off from ChatGPT. Put it over here and let's click on generate element. And there you go, it's done. On the right hand side, you can see the preview of what it made, the design, etc. And if you want to make any changes to it, on the bottom left, you can ask for that change. And just like this, you can make any sort of element that you can think of with AI using Wix Harmony. Once you're done, just press on save button on the top right, and it's going to be saved in your AI generated library. Just press here, and it's going to be inserted in your editor like we did before. Move it around, then you can press on that element, change the colors, edit with AI, and a lot more. And yeah, that's it. That's how to generate UI elements with AI in Wix Harmony. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Wix Harmony related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.